Alright, so I just came back from the store and I got some stuff for my next videos. And I think I'm gonna make, what I want to make today? I think I'm gonna make let's make some breakfast food. So, breakfast, I don't even like that word. Let's say morning meal. I'll make this morning meal. So, this new segment I want to do, I want to cook something that you wouldn't think that you can make. But you gotta remember, ingredients are ingredients. As long as you look around your kitchen and you find the ingredients, you look up what you can make with those ingredients and see all the different type of recipes that you can make. And you got to keep your mind open to it. Because I remember growing up and we was less fortunate or financially challenged, and we was like, we don't got nothing in the refrigerator, there's nothing here for us to eat and all of this. But I used to go in there like, nah, if we got this and we got this, we can make something out of it. So every night we ate gourmet in the house that I lived in. No matter how poor we was, if the lights was out or whatever we was going through. You gotta have your mind open to the possibilities, or you're not even gonna be able to come up with the proper plan to execute. So I want to introduce in these next few videos something I call From Hood to Gourmet. How to change those everyday focus whole food, the food you got from Forgotten Harvest, that free church food you get, the random stuff. You got these ingredients in your house some way or the other. You can change it into something gourmet. All you gotta do is keep your mind open to seeing that path. Alright, let me put these groceries up. First thing I find, look around the house, is some dirty old bananas and the end bread. We got some leftover bread. Now what can we do to make this gourmet?
Just relax with me, romantic. Make a plan, just gotta have it. It's already yours, go grab it. Ain't no static, ain't no panic. Just relax with me, romantic. Make a plan, just gotta have it. It's already yours, go grab it, baby. Sometimes need a break, that's cool. But get back to work or get back to school. Never give up on your dreams. You can accomplish anything like love.
It doesn't matter if you did it alone or got help to do it. And not enough of your goal list was accomplished. The bad happens in our yesterdays, so the good can happen in our tomorrows. So stay optimistic, to be open to turn those mistakes into lessons, cause every lesson's a blessing, yo.
Blake Fool.
Innocent incantation, number 94. Yeah.
Baby, you can hurt me, I'll be I'm so down, I won't round, I'll smile like a soldier. You can hurt me, desert me, so I'll be I'm so down, I won't round, still I'll smile like a soldier. Saying that you'll be my best friend, to desert me, I'll give in. Never once told me your feelings, to desert me, what's the difference? Oh, I stay true to you hurting. All that I give isn't working. Sticking on you when you hurt me. I can see now you're not worth me. I'll be cool without you. Stay without you. I'll be cool. I'll be cool without you.
tired of you. Treat me like that, you are not my boo.
I'll be cool without you. Without you, I'll be cool.
Like
I'll be cool without you. Without you, I'll be cool. Like a song, yeah. I'm a song, like a song.
Alright, now let's take that old bagel and let's mix it with a couple of ingredients that I can find and see how we can take it from hood to gourmet. Ready? Let's go.
From day when you lied, I know. Love is not our enemy. Open up your eyes, come on. You were never friend to me. From day when you lied, I know. And now you gave it all. Take no more. Let me know. Your mind, come on. You were never real with me. I was just too blind to know. Love is not our enemy. Open up your mind, come on. It was you who wasn't real with me. I was just too blind to know. And now you want more. Give it all. Take no more. Let me know.
Perfect. Now that's how you go from hood to gourmet. Now let me try this little banana cannoli, banana French toast. Look at that. Whatever's. That's real good. I'm gonna take some bologna, some eggs, and some bagels. Good to go. That's how you get a good morning meal out of that. Wow. Remember to leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it on Facebook, Instagram, whatever. Make sure to find us on Spotify. And we'll see you the next time around.